Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a crucial upgrade for Synology NAS users, the OWC 32GB DDR4 RAM kit. Specifically designed for models like the DS1819 Plus, DS1821 Plus, and many others in the Disk Station, Rack Station, and Flash Station series. This memory upgrade promises to breathe new life into your network-attached storage. Let's face it, a NAS is only as good as its ability to handle data efficiently. As your storage needs grow and you start running more applications like Plex, Docker containers, or virtual machines, the stock RAM can quickly become a bottleneck. That's where this OWC kit comes in. This kit consists of two 16GB DDR4 2666 MHz ECC SODIMM modules. The ECC, or error correcting code, is a significant feature, especially for critical data storage. It helps prevent data corruption by detecting and correcting memory errors on the fly, ensuring the integrity of your files. Installation is generally straightforward, similar to upgrading laptop memory. Consult your Synology NAS manual for the specific steps, but it usually involves opening the unit, locating the RAM slots, and carefully inserting the new modules. The difference after upgrading can be quite noticeable. Users have reported snappier performance when accessing files, smoother multitasking with multiple applications running simultaneously, and improved responsiveness overall. If you've been experiencing sluggish performance or maxing out your RAM usage, this upgrade is a worthwhile investment. The OWC 32GB kit is compatible with a wide range of Synology NAS devices, including the DS1522 Plus, DS1618 Plus, DS1621 Plus, DS1621 XS Plus, DS1819 Plus, DS1821 Plus, DS2419 Plus, DS2419 Plus 2, DS2422 Plus, DS3018XS, DS3617XS, DS3617XSii, DS3622XS Plus, DVA3219, DVA3221, FS1018, RS1221 Plus, RS1221RP Plus, RS822 Plus, and RS822RP Plus. This broad compatibility makes it a versatile upgrade option for many Synology users. The modules are PC4-21300 with a CL19 latency, operating at 1.2V. These specifications are in line with what Synology NAS devices require, ensuring optimal performance and stability. OWC is a reputable brand known for its quality memory products, so you can be confident in the reliability and longevity of this upgrade. If you're serious about maximizing the performance of your Synology NAS, the OWC 32GB DDR4 RAM kit is definitely worth considering. It's a relatively simple and cost-effective way to boost performance, improve multitasking, and ensure data integrity.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.